Okay guys, this is a 2025 Ford Maverick Lariat Hybrid all-wheel drive. They just came out with the all-wheel drives in 2025 in the hybrid, so pretty hot item. It is a rebuilt title, had rear damage, so nothing up here was touched. Does have the roll-in bed cover on the back. Two-tone leather. Start it up here for you. At 29,790 on the miles. Adaptive cruise, lane assist, steering wheel controls, 360 camera, heated seats, heated steering wheel, smart key with remote start, traction control, power sliding rear glass, wireless charging for your phone, power mirrors, locks and windows, your B&O sound system, all your window or all your light controls. It does have all-weather floor mats, power seats. Really good look at that seat there. No sunroof on this one. Tires on there. This tonneau cover rolls up inside. It's not a trifold. Spray and bed liner. Does have your AC plug there. Tow package. Again, this was rear damage. Look at what it looks like underneath there. Blind spot monitors in those mirrors. Here is a past in alignment. Again, 2025 Ford Maverick Hybrid Lariat all-wheel drive. Present you from Real Deal Auto. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com.